Hello! In this video, I will describe the gun jam, the rules, how to participate, and any other information pertaining to the jam. First off, a gun jam is like a game jam, a contest posted with a certain theme, in which contestants attempt to make a game fitting that theme. A gun jam works the same way, where the Enter the Gungeon modding community is given 48 hours to make a gun, based off of a fairly broad theme. The mods are then judged based off of a set rubric, and a winner is chosen based on that. However, the real purpose of the jam is not to win, but more a fun project for the community. The guns created for this jam will be showcased in a video posting hopefully no more than a week after the conclusion of the jam. Afterwards, all items will be pulled into one mod pack, which will be linked in the description of the showcase. The rules for the most part are very simple, but if you want a list, check the document linked in the description, which will have all the information I'm about to cover listed there. The first and most important rule is that the gun must be made during the duration of the jam. This includes all code, excluding publicly available APIs, some of which are linked in the document if needed. Along with this, the weapon sprites must also be made during the jam. However, other sprites are fine to be already existing in the game. In order to submit, the item must be uploaded to the mod workshop under the contest category, and have Gun Jam in the title. Next, do note the gun doesn't have to actually be a gun. It can be any type of weapon, and in future jams, it is possible the item will not be a gun at all. Speaking of in future jams, while this jam will not allow working as a team, following may. Once again, the gun must be submitted on time. If we have trouble with your submission, we will try to reach out to you if you have given us your information, but please reach out before the submission period if there is trouble, so that we may use your gun in the jam. In order to participate, it is very easy. Simply fill out the Google form, which will be linked in the video airing Friday, April 16th at 8:00 p.m. Eastern Time, or take the link to the form in the document, which will be added at the same time. This form will ask for the link to the mod on the mod workshop, the command needed to spawn it in the console, and some descriptions of the gun. Next, it will ask for some personal information as for how you'd like yourself to be referred to in the video, and if you consent to it being in the video. On top of this, it will ask for contact information in order to reach out to you should any problems arise. Lastly, it will ask if you have read and understood the rules of the jam, and then you will be able to submit. The gun will be judged by 3 judges in terms of creativity, visuals, mechanics, and theme, with small bonuses allotted for synergies, custom sound effects, and code cleanliness. If you would like a more detailed look at how it will be judged, please look at the rubric, which you can find in the document in the link in the description. On this Friday at 8 o'clock, the theme for the jam will be revealed in the video, and the jam will begin. If there are any questions at all, please contact Brian the Idiot on the modding channel of the Enter the Gungeon Discord, or Anthony's if I'm available. Remember, this is a small community event, organized by someone very new to modding, and is meant purely as a fun community project to do once in a while, so please enjoy and don't be afraid to ask any questions you may have regarding anything at all with the jam. Have fun and happy modding!